Generate a professional, clear, and energetic AI voiceover in English for a 20-part futuristic 3D AI tech video about CapCut's latest AI features. The tone should be friendly and narration style, perfect for YouTube tutorials. Speak clearly and emphasize keywords like AI CapCut, motion tracking, 3D zoom, and beat sync. Maintain a smooth pace suitable for viewers to read subtitles alongside the narration. Include natural pauses between each feature segment. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech. Get ready, because CapCut's 2025 AI update is about to completely change how you edit videos. We're talking over 20 new features, many in stunning 3D. First up, the AI video generator. You can literally turn a simple script into a full video clip instantly. Imagine typing a story and watching it come to life with the script-to-video tool. Plus, Auto Caption AI adds perfect subtitles automatically. But that's not all. Motion Tracking 2.0 is ridiculously precise, and Clean Voice AI makes your narration crystal clear. You can remove backgrounds without a green screen. Sync edits perfectly to music with BeatSync Pro, and add cinematic depth with 3D Zoom Plus. They've even added AI templates, professional color grading, and real-time collaboration. CapCut is making video creation smarter and faster than ever. If you want to master these tools, make sure to subscribe and follow for more AI updates.